KXI41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones from McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone, and northern Kane counties in Illinois, as well as Walworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 11:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, eastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bolingbrook to near Mokina, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Naperville, Cicero, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Berwyn, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Romeoville, Addison, Woodridge, South Lawndale, Burbank, Glen Ellen, Melrose Park, Lockport, Palmer Glen, Maywood, Brookfield, Palos Hills, Hinsdale, Westchester, Lemont, and LaGrange. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KXI41, serving the north and northwest suburbs, including Woodstock, Libertyville, and Elgin. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones from McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone, and northern Kane counties in Illinois, as well as Walworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones from McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone, and northern Kane counties in Illinois, as well as Walworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KXI41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones from McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone, and northern Kane counties in Illinois, as well as Walworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 11:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 12:15 a.m. for eastern DuPage and central Cook counties. At 11:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 2 a.m. At 11:55 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles northwest of Elgin to 10 nautical miles south of Midway Airport, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Monroe Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Dusable Harbor, and Jacksonport Harbor around 12:20 a.m. Montrose Harbor, Harrison Beaver, Cribb, Belmont Harbor, and Diversey Harbor around 12:25 a.m. Wilmette Harbor around 12:30 a.m. Waukegan Harbor around 12:45 a.m. Winthrop Harbor around 12:55 a.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 12:15 a.m. for eastern DuPage and central Cook counties. At 11:53 p.m., severe thunderstorm Waukegan Harbor around 12:45 a.m. Winthrop Harbor around 12:55 a.m. Move to safe harbor. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Strong thunderstorms will impact southern Lake, northeastern DuPage and northern Cook counties through 12:30 a.m. At 11:59 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Bartlett to Addison to Hodgkins. Movement was north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles